हेलो रियन, वेलकम बैक। प्लेसमेंट प्रिपरेशन में आपका फिर से स्वागत है। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे एसेंचर के बिहेवियर असेसमेंट क्वेश्चंस के बारे में। देखिए, हाल ही में अभी एसेंचर ने अपना हायरिंग पैटर्न को चेंज किया है, जिसकी वजह से यहाँ पे अब बिहेवियर असेसमेंट के क्वेश्चन आपको देखने को मिलेंगे इनके हायरिंग में। ना एक एक करके क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करते हैं। सबसे पहला है, योर टीममेट इज स्ट्रगलिंग टू मीट अ डेडलाइन, व्हाट डू यू डू। आप क्या करेंगे जब आपका जो फ्रेंड्स है या टीममेट्स है वो स्ट्रगल कर रहा है मीट करने में डेडलाइन के लिए? तो आप क्या करेंगे? आप ऑफर करेंगे हेल्प और अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे सिचुएशन को, उस इश्यू को रिजॉल्व करेंगे। और ये दिखलाता है कि आप अपने टीममेट के प्रति कितना रिस्पॉन्सिबल है और उसकी हेल्प करने के लिए हमेशा रेडी रहते हैं। और बाकी ऑप्शंस ए बी सी क्यों नहीं सही हैं? ऑप्शन सी ही क्यों सही है? ऑप्शन ए की बात की है, यहाँ बोला है टेल द मैनेजर इमीडिएटली। इसका मतलब है कि ये बेसिकली एक्सलेट कर रहा है विदाउट ट्राइंग टू सपोर्ट फर्स्ट। आप सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप डायरेक्टली मैनेजर को बता रहे हैं। ऑप्शन बी इसलिए रॉन्ग है क्योंकि यहाँ पे आप इग्नोर कर रहे हैं नॉट योर प्रॉब्लम। कह रहे हैं कि मेरी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है इसलिए मैं इग्नोर कर रहा हूँ। यहाँ से इसका मतलब क्या है कि आप अवॉइड कर रहे हैं रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को। आप एक वीक टीम वर्क की तरह यहाँ पे अपने आप को शो कर रहे हैं। ऑप्शन डी इसलिए रॉन्ग है यहाँ पे क्योंकि कंप्लेन कर रहे हैं, जो कलीग्स की जो कंप्लेन है वो गलत है करना, क्योंकि यहाँ पे अनप्रोफेशनल और स्प्रेड नेगेटिविटी की बात आती है। इसीलिए ऑप्शन ए बी और डी सही नहीं है। ऑप्शन सी ओनली इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। अ क्लाइंट क्रिटिसाइज योर वर्क, अ क्लाइंट क्रिटिसाइज योर वर्क। तो यहाँ पे आप क्या करेंगे? तो यहाँ पे इस सिचुएशन में आप उसको सुनेंगे और अपनी आप को इम्प्रूव करेंगे। तो ये दिखाता है कि आप कितने मेच्योर हैं, प्रोफेशनलिज्म हैं और लर्निंग माइंडसेट से काम कर रहे हैं। ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट वन। ऑप्शन ए बी सॉरी ऑप्शन ए और डी क्यों नहीं सही है? क्योंकि ऑप्शन ए की बात किया है तो बेसिकली यहाँ पे इमोशनल और अनप्रोफेशनल शो हो रहा है। ऑप्शन सी की बात करते हैं जहाँ पे ब्लेम टीममेट के बारे में। आप टीममेट की अगर ब्लेम करेंगे तो यहाँ पे आता है, आपको दिखा रहा है कि अब लैक ऑफ अकाउंटेबिलिटी है। ऑप्शन डी इग्नोर फीडबैक, इसका मतलब ये है, ये शो कर रहा है लॉस ग्रोथ अपॉर्चुनिटी। जो आने वाली जो अपॉर्चुनिटी है उस वो ग्रोथ आपको नहीं मिलेगी आप अगर इग्नोर करेंगे उस फीडबैक को। ऑप्शन बी इज ओनली करेक्ट हेयर। मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। You notice unethical behavior in team. So what do you do? So the correct option here, we report to proper authority, यानी कि कोई अथॉरिटी होती है कंपनी के अंदर, उसको हम लोग इन्फॉर्म करेंगे, उसको रिपोर्ट करेंगे। ये दिखाता है कि आप कितने सपोर्टिव इंटीग्रिटी है और कंपनी के बारे में कितना सोचते हैं, कंपनी इथिक्स की जो पॉलिसी है उसके बारे में। ऑप्शन बी सी डी क्यों गलत है? यहाँ पे लिखा है ऑप्शन बी जॉइन द बिहेवियर, यानी कि ये पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन अनएथिकल एक्टिविटी, ये क्या होता है? ये गलत होता है। अगर आप कोई और गलत कर रहा है, आप उसमें अगर साथ दे रहे हैं तो ये गलत है, तो इसीलिए बी गलत है यहाँ पे। इग्नोर इट का मतलब होता है कि आप साइलेंट अप्रूवल दे रहे हैं रॉन्ग चीज़ों को, रॉन्ग चीज़ अगर हो रही है उसको साइलेंट अप्रूवल दे रहे हैं। ऑप्शन डी क्यों गलत है? क्योंकि यहाँ पे आप जो कॉन्फिडेंटली होता है, कुछ रूल्स होते हैं कंपनी के, वो वॉयलेट कर रहे हैं। यानी कि अगर आप कोई चीज़ को पब्लिकली सोशल मीडिया पे कंपनी के बारे में आप एक्सपोज कर रहे हैं तो ये बेसिकली कंपनी के रूल्स के खिलाफ है। तो ओनली ए इज अ करेक्ट ऑप्शन हेयर। नाउ मल्टीपल अर्जेंट टास्क इन वन डे। तो आप यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे इस सिचुएशन में? अगर आपको मल्टीपल अर्जेंट टास्क दे दिए गए हैं एक दिन के लिए, इन वन डे, एक दिन में, तो आप क्या करेंगे? तो यहाँ पे आप सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, एक चार्ट बनाएंगे कि कौन सा वर्क सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, उसी हिसाब से काम करेंगे। यानी कि ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट वन। ये दिखाता है कि कितना आप टाइम मैनेज कर सकते हैं और कितना रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के साथ आप काम कर सकते हैं। ऑप्शन ए और सी डी क्यों गलत है? कि अगर ऑप्शन ए की बात की जाए, पैनिक, पैनिक का मतलब होता है कि आप इनएफिशिएंट बिहेवियर यहाँ पे शो कर रहे हैं जो कंपनी के लिए गलत है। ऑप्शन सी इसलिए गलत है क्योंकि यहाँ पे दिखा रहा है कि डू इजियर फर्स्ट विदाउट प्लानिंग। जो अगर हम इजी काम होगा उसको हम पहले इसलिए नहीं करते हैं क्योंकि हम चाहते हैं कि जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क है उसको हम सबसे पहले कंप्लीट करेंगे। यहाँ पे बिना स्ट्रेटजी के आप अगर काम करेंगे तो वो यहाँ पे गलत होगा। ऑप्शन डी की बात की जाए, यहाँ पे लिखा है पुश वर्क टू अदर, यानी कि अपना काम किसी और के ऊपर डालना, ये यहाँ पे गलत है। यहाँ पे इसका मतलब ये है कि आप अवॉइड कर रहे हैं ओनरशिप को और आप बैड टीम वर्क की तरह यहाँ पे काम कर रहे हैं। इसीलिए ऑप्शन ए सी डी गलत है। ओनली ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट वन। नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। नाउ टीममेट डिसएग्री विथ योर आइडिया, अगर आप जो आपका टीममेट है वो आपके आइडिया से डिसएग्री करता तो आप यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? आप यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पे ऑप्शन नंबर बी, डिस्कस करेंगे कामली टू अंडरस्टैंड देयर ओपिनियन, यानी कि जो आपका टीममेट ओपिनियन दे रहा है उसको सुनेंगे, उस पर काम करेंगे, अगर अच्छा लग रहा तो आप उसको ऐड करेंगे, ठीक है। नाउ ऑप्शन ए सी डी क्यों नहीं सही है? यहाँ पे ऑप्शन ए की बात करें तो बेसिकली ये क्रिएट करता है कॉन्फ्लिक्ट को। ऑप्शन सी की बात करी जाए तो ये एक्सेलेशन होता है विदाउट ट्राइंग सॉल्यूशन। ऑप्शन डी इसलिए गलत है, यहाँ बोल रहा है फोकस योर आइडिया, इट मीन्स दैट इट डिसरिस्पेक्टफुली अपने टीममेट की रेस्पेक्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो इसीलिए ऑप्शन ए सी डी गलत है। ओनली ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट वन। नाउ यू मेड अ मिस्टेक इन वर्क, सो व्हाट डू यू डू? The correct option here, we admit it and fix it. Option B is the correct one. Option A is wrong. Option C is wrong. Option D is wrong. Option A hide it. अगर आप हाइड करेंगे तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि आप डिसऑनेस्ट है और रिस्की वर्क ले रहे हैं। आप C और D इसलिए गलत है क्योंकि यहाँ पे ऑप्शन C की बात कीजिए, ब्लेम सिस्टम बेसिकली ये दिखला रहा है कि आप कितने अवॉइडिंग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है। वेट टिल समवन फाइंड, इसका मतलब क्या है? आप डिसऑनेस्ट हैं, इसीलिए ऑप्शन ए सी और डी गलत हैं। नाउ यू फाइंड अ फास्टर मेथड टू कंप्लीट टास्क, सो व्हाट डू यू डू? द करेक्ट ऑप्शन है शेयर विद टीम। अगर आप ऐसा कोई मेथड को पता चल गया है कि आप जो काम है बहुत जल्दी होएगा तो आप अपने टीममेट के साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं। ऑप्शन ए इसलिए गलत है क्योंकि यहाँ पे लिखा है कीप इट प्राइवेट। अगर हम लोग कीप इट प्राइवेट लिखेंगे तो इसका मतलब होता है कि आप सेल्फिश हैं और हर्ट कर रहे हैं टीम की ग्रोथ को, यानी कि टीम जो आपके साथ काम कर रही है उसकी ग्रोथ से आप जलते हैं तो उसको आप शेयर नहीं करेंगे। एक कह सकते हैं सेल्फिश नेचर है आपका। ऑप्शन सी इसलिए गलत है कि यू यूज ओनली फॉर योर वर्क, इसका मतलब क्या है? सेम सेल्फिश हैं आप और हर्ट कर रहे हैं टीम की ग्रोथ को। इग्नोर इट इसलिए गलत है यहाँ पे क्योंकि आप इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं चाहते हैं कंपनी के और टीममेट की इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं चाहते, इसलिए यहाँ पे ऑप्शन डी गलत है। ओनली ऑप्शन ए बी इज करेक्ट वन, शेयर विद टीम। ये दिखाता है आप कितने इनकरेज हैं इनोवेशन के साथ और कोलैबोरेशन के साथ। नाउ teammate take credit for your work, it means that what do you do? It means we just clarify politely with manager। आप अपने अगर आपने काम किया है आपका टीम में तो वो क्रेडिट ले जा रहा है तो आप बेसिकली पोलाइटली अपने मैनेजर के साथ बात करेंगे, उसके बारे में बताएंगे कि मैंने ये वर्क किया है और मेरा टीममेट इसका क्रेडिट ले रहा है। नाउ ऑप्शन ए इसलिए गलत है क्योंकि फाइट विद देम, इट इज अ एग्रेसिव रिएक्शन, सो इट ऑप्शन ए गलत। Option C, quiet project. It means that running away. That's why option C is galat. Option D, gossiping with about them. So it means it is spreading a negativity. So option D is also wrong. Only option B is the correct. Now you made a small mistake in code. What do you do? We do option B, inform team and fix it. This one is correct. Hide it means it's so dishonest. And option C, pretend nothing happened, it also so dishonored. Blame someone else, it is blaming destroy someone trust. That's why option D is false here. Only option B, we inform team and fix it. Now client demand unrealistic deadline, so what do you do? So you do negotiate realistically. Option B is the correct one. Why option A C D is false here? Option A is agree blindly, it means over promising lead to failure. That's why option A is wrong here. Option C, अनप्रोफेशनल टोन में अगर बात करेंगे तो ये आपके लिए गलत है। यहाँ पे से नो रूडली। अवॉइड क्लाइंट का मतलब है कि अवॉइडनेस पुअर कम्युनिकेशन। दैट्स वाई ऑप्शन डी इज अ रॉन्ग हेयर। नाउ a new technology is introduced in your project, what do you do? The correct option here is learn and adapt। आप कोई भी न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी आप कंपनी में आती है तो आप उसको क्या करेंगे? सीखेंगे और अडॉप्ट करेंगे। ऑप्शन ए सी डी is wrong here because avoiding learning it means that you should not involve in new technology or learning a new technology. It means that you will your growth will not be up to the mark in coming future. That's why option A is wrong here. Option C, complain about change, it means that negative, it's so that it is your negative attitude. Option D, tell team it's useless. It means that reject innovation about understanding, यानी कि बिना उसके समझे आप उस इनोवेशन को रिजेक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पे ये गलत शो करता है, इसीलिए ऑप्शन ए, सी और डी रॉन्ग है। You are overloaded and feeling stressed, what do you do? So the correct option here is manage time and communicate with their leader if needed. Option B is the correct one. Option A is wrong here because it so that it is a immature reaction. So the correct option here is only B. Option C, D is wrong here because problem remain unsolved, and option D, blame company, it means it's so negative mindset. Now, a team member work quality is low. The team member work quality is low. So what do you do? We just support and give constructive feedback because it's so leadership and teamwork. Why are other option B, C, and D is wrong here? Because insulting them publicly, it means it demotivate or disrespect to your team, and option C is wrong because it escalation without attempting to help. Ignore the situation, it means that avoid team responsibility. So that's why option B, C, D is wrong here. Now, you observe discrimination and disrespect in team, so what do you do? We should promote equality and report if needed. Option A is the correct one. Why all B, C, D is wrong here? Because silence support wrong behavior and toxic behavior against company value. That's why option C, D, or B is wrong here. Now, manager suggest an approach you disagree with. So the correct option here is respectfully suggest your thought. It means that right balance, confidence plus respect. So why other option is wrong? Option B, so aggressive. Option C, talk with behind their back, it means office politics. Option D, stay silent even if it's wrong, it means misinformation opportunity. So that's why option B, C, D is wrong here. Now, you are new and do not understand something, what do you do? So you just ask question and learn. Option A is the correct one. Why other option B, C, D is wrong here? Because option B lead to mistake, and option C is isolate, reduce collaboration, and option D judge everyone as unhelpful, it means that it's so negative assumption. That's why option A is correct here. Now, client change requirement suddenly, it means you should adopt or replan. Option A is the correct one. Why other option is wrong? B, C, D. It means that option B is wrong because it's so data poor client handling, or option C is panic. Why it's wrong? Because it's so unbehavior or unprofessionalism behavior. Option D, ignore new requirement, it's so well cost project is failure. That's why option B, C, D is wrong here. Now, tight deadline approaching fast, it means tight deadline approaching fast. So you just prioritize task or work smart or work efficiently. It means that why it's option number A is correct one, because it's so calm decision making. So option C is correct here. Why other option is wrong? Because option B, so panic or complain. Option D, do random tasks, or option D, blame other for delay. It means that it's so that waste energy, no solution, or not planning, or no ownership. That's why option B, C, D is wrong here. Now, team conflict arise. Team conflict, if team conflict arise, what do? You should try to meditate and resolve. So why other option is wrong? Take a side, blame someone, stay silent away. It's so it option A, option B is so increase conflict, or option C, blame someone, it means it's so the fingering pointing, or it create a what situation. Option D, avoiding problem does not means it will solve it. So that's why option B, C, D is wrong here. You are asked to learn a new skill for future project, what do? So you just adopt it or learn it. Why other option is wrong? Because say no, not my job. It's so that the closest mindset. And why C option is wrong? Delay learning, because it's a lack of understanding. Or option D, why option D is wrong? Complaint, it's extra work. It's so that it's a negative mindset, because you are saying that complaint it's extra work, because company is providing a new skill for future project. It means that you should learn or adopt it. That's why option B and C and D is wrong here. Now your team achieve a big milestone. What should you do? So the correct option here is appreciate team and celebrate together. Option A is a correct one. Why all other option is wrong here? When we talk about option number B, take full credit alone, it means that it shows your character like a selfish or demotivate teams. Why option number C is wrong? Because it say it happened by luck, it means that undetermined team effort. Option D is wrong, because it so ignore and start next task suddenly, it means that no recognition or create low morale. That's why option B, C, D is wrong here. Now manager assign your respective and boring task, it means what do you do here? We should complete it responsibly. Option A is a correct one, because it's so professionalism or discipline. Why other option is wrong here? When we talk about option number B, refuse to do that, it means it's so immaturity. Option C is delay internationally, it means that unprofessionalism and unethical. Option D is wrong here, because it's so complain loudly to everyone, it means it's so your attitude, it's mean that you have a negative attitude. That's why option B, C, D is wrong here. Now you find a process efficiency in team. What should you do? You should so what should you do? You just go and suggest improvement, it means that so innovation or continuous improvement mindset. Why other option is wrong? When we talk about keep quiet, it means that misses improvement or opportunity. Option C is wrong, because it complaining without solution. Why option D is wrong? Because it gossiping instead of action. That's why option B, C, D is wrong here. Now a junior asks for help, what should you do? You should help and guide them. So why other option is wrong? Ignoring them, it means it's so that it demotivate junior and toxic attitude. All are showing demotivate attitude or demotivate junior, and it is also show your behavior, that is your toxic attitude. That's why option B, C, D is wrong here. Now project fail to deliver result. What should you do here? You should basically you should analyze and what went wrong and improve it. Just learn and improve. That's why option A is correct one. Why other option is wrong here? Blaming teammate, it's so your avoid responsibility. Option C, quiet project, it's so immature reaction. Option D, cover up mistake, it's so dishonest and mistake or risky. Now company change a major policy. What should you do? You should adopt and follow. Option A is the correct one. Why option B, C, D is wrong here? Because it resistance plus negativity, it's so. That's why option B, C, D is wrong here. Now you are working with an international team. What should you do? You should just respect culture differences. Option A is wrong here. Why other option is wrong here? B, C, D, it's so bias and discrimination and poor teamwork and disrespect and rigid. That's why option B, C, D is wrong here. Now you need to decide quickly on a task. What should you do? You should respect differences, or you can also say logical or decide work timely. Analyze option or logically and decide. Option A is the correct one. Why other option is wrong here? So because it's so delay to avoid responsibility, it's so fear or inefficiency, choose randomly, it's poor decision making, and ask everyone for approval unnecessary, it's slow or indecisive. That's why option B, C, D is wrong here. Why option A is true here? Because it's so good judgment or efficiency. Now move to the next question. You do not have a knowledge about task assigned to you. What should you do? You should learn, research, or and ask for guidance. So that's why option A is correct here because it's so growth mindset or accountability. Why other option is wrong here? B, C, D, E, because it lead B, it's so that it'll lead to error, and C is irresponsible, and D is blame game. Now move to the next question. Your manager give a feedback to improve. What should you do? You should accept positively and improve it. Why other option is wrong here? Option B and C, it's so defensive behavior, and option D, ignore feedback, it means no learning, no growth. Now you are working on a group assignment and one member is not contributing. What should you do? You should talk to them to understand and support them. It's so leadership, empathy, or problem solving. That's why option A is the correct one. Why other option is wrong here? Because option B, it lead to burnout, poor teamwork, and option C, it acceleration without trying solution, and option D, it unprofessional and create conflict. That's why option B, C, D is wrong here. Now you notice a critical bug before deployment. It's so improve the team and fix it. Why other option is wrong here? Because it's so risky and system may fail. Option C, blame game. Option D is secret patch. It means that equal to a no tracking or testing. That's why option B, C, D is wrong here. Now you are assigned to work with a difficult colleagues. What should you do? We should stay professional and collaborate. It's so maturity plus adaptability. Why option B, C, D is wrong here? It's so that you are avoid teammates or harm project. Now you finish work early. So what should you do? You should offer support and ask for tasks. Option A is the correct one. Ask for more work or help other. It's so initiative or teamwork. Why option other option B, C, D is wrong here? Because it's so passive attitude or unprofessionalism. So that's why option B, C, D is wrong here. Now a colleague share a personal problem affecting work. What should you do? You should listen and support them. Option A is the correct one. Why option B, C, D is wrong here? Because option B, so insensitivity. Option C, so break trust. Options D, tell them work is more important than personal life. It's so lack of emotional intelligence. That's why option B, C, D is wrong here. Now team meeting is going off topic. What should you do? You should bring everyone back to a agenda quietly. It's so that you have a good leadership or communication skill. Why other option B, C, D is wrong here? Because option B, so passive behavior. Option C, so emotional driven reaction. Option D, so unprofessional exist. That's why option B, C, D is wrong here. Now you receive two conflict instruction from a two senior member. What should you do? You should clarify priority with them. Option A is the correct one. It's so proper communication, avoid error. Why other option B, C, D is wrong here? When we talk about option B or C, it's so random discussion causes issue. That's why option B, C is wrong. And why option D, it so avoid both tasks. It means that you have avoiding nature. That's why you are talking about avoid both tasks. Now you are working remotely and feel disengaged engaged disengaged. It means that what should you do? You should communicate or participate actively. It's so build team connection and productivity. Why other option is wrong here? Option B, C, D. Option B, C, D is wrong here because it's so isolation, harm, and teamwork and performance. That's why option B, C, D is wrong. Now junior made a small mistake. What should you do? You should guide and support them and guide them politely and help correct. Why other option is wrong here? Option B or D, so unprofessional and demotivating. Why option C is wrong here? Because acceleration from a small issue. Why option A is correct here? Because it's encourage learning and team growth. That's why option A is correct here. Now you feel you are not improving in your role. What should you do? You should ask for feedback and training and upskilling. It means that it's showing see growth and proactivity. So it's showing that so ownership and improvement mindset. That's why option A is correct here. Why option B, C, D is wrong here? Do nothing means no effort, no growth. Why option C and D, blaming organization and complain to co-worker? It's so negativity activity or no solution. Now You are assigning a new project. What is the first thing you should do? You should understand the project requirement and scope. Option B is a correct one, because understanding project and requirement and scope, it's so before starting work you must clear understand the goal and deliver an expectation. That's why option B is correct one. Why option A is wrong here? Because it rushing without understanding the lead to mistake. Why option C and D is wrong here? Because option C showing that copying code without construct in unprofessional. Option D is wrong here because showing dependency and lack of initiative. So that's why option D, C, or A is wrong here. A team member is struggling, a deadline is near. What do? So you offer help to complete the task. It's so the teamwork and collaboration improve performance and morale. That's why option B is a correct here. Why option A is false here? Because it's so no team orientation. Option C is wrong here because it's so negative acceleration without trying first. Option D is wrong here because not supportive and add pressures. That's why option A, C, D is wrong here. You made a mistake in a silent presentation. What do? You should admit it and correct it. Why other option is wrong here? Option A is wrong here because it's so lack of integrity. Option C is wrong here because it's blaming damaged teamwork. Option D is wrong here because it's so problem may escalate later. That's why only option B is correct because it's so honest, accountability, and professionalism. Now, your manager give feedback you do not agree with. What do? You should listen carefully and discuss calmly. So it's so that you have a open communication and professional behavior. That's why option B is correct here. Why other option is wrong? Option A, C, or D? Because defensive behavior show immaturity, you miss improvement opportunity, and you create workplace negatively. That's why option A, C, and D is wrong here. You find faster way to complete tasks. What do? You should share with the team or you should suggest to the team. That's a correct way. Why other option A, C, D is wrong here? Because option A show the lack of transparency, option C show missed opportunity, option D show negative approach. That's why option B is the correct one. Client requirement change last minute, your response. So when client change the requirement, what should we do? We should adopt and plan accordingly. So the correct option here, option number B. Why option B is correct? Because it's conflicting role requirement, flexibility, or adaptability. That's why option B is the correct one. Why option A is correct? Not correct because it's so unprofessional reaction. Option C is wrong here because not customer centric. Option D is wrong here because complaining does not solve problem. You notice a teammate violating company policy. What should you do? You should report them through proper channel. It's so that ethical, confidently, or responsible. Why option A is wrong here? Because encourage wrong behavior. Option C, public confrontation cause conflict. Post about anomalies online, it's so unprofessional and risky. That's why option A, C, D is wrong here. Only option B is the correct here. You assign a task with the unfamiliar tools. What should you do? You should research and learn the tool. Option B is the correct one only. Why other option is wrong here? Because so lack of flexibility. And option C is wrong here because passive approach. Option D is wrong here because passing responsibility in an unofficial, unprofessional method. Now you receive multiple tasks. What do you do first? So you should do uh time management and planning. It means that option B is the correct one. Based on the deadline, we should assign a task or we should complete the task which is more important. Why other option number B, oh sorry, A, C, D is wrong here because A is not good here because it's so not strategic or not planning. Option C is wrong here because delegation without authority is wrong here. Option D is wrong here because panic so proper poor professionalism. That's why option D is wrong here. Now you disagree with your technical solution suggested in meeting. What should you do? You should speak and respectfully and proper alternative. Why other option is wrong here? Because option B so no contribution. Option C So rude or dispute teamwork. Option D is why option D is not correct? Because unprofessional behavior, because you are leaving the meeting. That's why only option A is the correct one. थैंक यू एवरीवन, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट